Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine. Today, we have to start with some definitions. First one is permutations. What is permutation? It is an arrangement in a definite order of a number of objects taken some or all at a time. ये ऐसी अरेंजमेंट है ऑब्जेक्ट्स की डेफिनेट ऑर्डर पे, या तो सारे लिए जाएं या उनमें से कुछ लिए जाएं. इट इज़ अरेंजमेंट इन अ डेफिनेट ऑर्डर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू टेक 3 numbers 1, 2, 3. You have to make the arrangement in a definite order. I will make arrangement 1, 2, 3. This is first arrangement 1, 3, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2. Definite arrangement you have to find. This is the permutation. Arrangement of numbers in a definite order of some objects or all objects at a time, any one time. What is factorial notation, dear student? Listen carefully. The notation n factorial represent the product of first n natural number. n factorial क्या represent करता है? The factorial n factorial represent the product of first n natural numbers. First n natural number 1 factorial, 1 cross 2 cross 3 cross up to so on n minus 1 cross n factorial, which is equal to n factorial. It is denoted by n factorial. इसको n factorial से डिनोट करते हैं और रीड भी करते हैं इसको n factorial, और सम ऑथर इसको रीड करते हैं factorial n. Now, dear student, we have to start exercise 7.2. First question. First question is, we have to solve 8 factorial. 8 factorial equal to, can I write 8 factorial as 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4, 3 into 2 into 1. When you multiply all these numbers, you will get 4030. n factorial equal to n 1 cross 2 cross 3. 8 factorial equal to 8 cross 7 cross 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 2 factorial equal to 2 into 1. 3 factorial equal to 3 into 2 into 1. 4 factorial equal to 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Similarly, 8 factorial equal to 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which is equal to 4030. I hope you understand this. And second one is 4 factorial minus 3 factorial. 4 factorial, can I write 4 factorial as 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, minus 3 factorial as 3 into 2 into 1. 4 into 3 is what? 12. 12 into 2 is 24. 24 into 1 is nothing but 24. Minus 3 into 2 is 6. 6 into 1 is 6. 24 minus 6 is 18. That will be your answer. Let's move to next question. Question number second one. Second one is 3 factorial plus 4 factorial equal to 7 factorial? Question is asking here that 3 factorial plus 4 factorial equal to 7 factorial. Take LHS. 3 factorial plus 4 factorial. 3 factorial, can I write 3 factorial as 3 into 2 into 1 plus 4 factorial as 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 3 into 2 is what? 6. 6 into 1 is 6. 4 into 3 is 12. 12 into 2 is 24. Into 1 is 24. 24 plus 6, which is 30. Dear student, take RHS. 7 factorial. 7 factorial equal to 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. When we multiply these all numbers, You will get 5040. Is LHS equal to RHS? No, LHS is not equal to RHS. So we write here 3 factorial plus 4 factorial is not equal to 7 factorial. LHS RHS के इक्वल नहीं होगी, तो 3 factorial plus 4 factorial does not equal to 7 factorial. Let's move to next question. Question number 3. But this question says that compute 8 factorial divided by 6 factorial into 2 factorial. 8 factorial is what? 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 divided by 6 factorial. 6 factorial is what? 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 cross 2 factorial 2 into 1. 6 factorial up to 6, this and this get cancel. Same quantities na, same hai, cancel हो जाएंगे. Remaining is 8 into 7 divided by 2 into 1. 2 ones are 2, 4 2s are 8. This is nothing but 4 into 7. 4 into 7. 4 into 7 is what? 28. So answer of this question will be 28. I hope you understand this. Let's move to next one. Question number 4 is your homework. Dear student, fifth question is evaluate n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. Here n value is given here 6, r value is given here 2. This is first part. Second part, dear student, you have to do. First part I will do. N factorial, n value is 6 factorial. N value is 6 factorial divided by n minus r factorial. N value is given here 6 minus r factorial. R value is given here 2. So 6 minus 2 factorial. So 6 factorial divided by 6 minus 2 factorial. 6 factorial, 6 minus 2 is what? 4 factorial. Let's move to 6 factorial. Can I write 6 factorial as 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 4 factorial as 4 into 3 into, here repetition, 2 into 1. So this and this get cancelled, same quantities. 6 into 5 is what? Remaining is 6 into 5. 6 into 5 is 30. Dear student, question number 4 and question number 5th, second part is your self-practice exercise. You have to do it at home. And with this, our exercise 7.2 is over. I hope you enjoy this. And if you have any question, if you have any doubt, you can ask. Thank you.